So everyone, this is the Christmas tree. Now, I'm not good at moving the branches and making it look professional. That's my wife. My wife is good at that. But I wanted to show you guys the tree and what it looks like. And now let's show you guys what it looks like with lights. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now, it looks so much nicer in person. The lights on it. But again, you can move the branches and like position them better. I don't have them positioned as good. But the bulbs are covered in what looks like snow. Overall, very nice. I think you guys are gonna like it. And it doesn't take up a whole lot of room as well. Like, you can keep the branches up more, or you can have them down more, which takes up a little more room than what you see. But versus a traditional tree, it definitely is a little bit more of a space saver tree, which I like. But yet there's plenty of room for presents underneath the tree.